Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm out at that place that I call Cactus Hill. Excuse me. I was out here several days ago and did the same basic flight I am doing here. The only thing is I could not get my Mavic 2 to focus no matter what I did, and so it was like a wasted trip. I put up a sample of what I recorded in a previous video, and so this time it looks like I got a much better result. And what happened was I did a little bit of YouTube research and found out that most guys don't use that automatic focus continuous setting, although it sounds like a good idea, and I have used it ever since I got my drone. But it was not working that day, and no matter what I did, and I don't know why. I haven't got any answers, but I decided that I would switch over to what they call manual focus, and you do that by going into the camera settings and go down to the right hand column on the camera settings, and you'll see it there, AFC. Anyway, so I turned that off. And I've made several videos there on YouTube since then, and getting much better results. So if you do want to do a close-up or something, like when I zoom in here on this cactus, the first thing I did, because it's not real close, but the first thing I did was to hit my C1 button. That's if you're wearing the DJI goggles, then when you press the C1 button, which is underneath the controller, that runs the focus for you, and you can focus on other places besides the center of the screen. So anyway, I returned this morning, and beautiful day and nice sunshine, and this was just after 6 o'clock in the morning, and I decided, well, I'll see if I can find some little critters, because I love these goggles so much. You're looking at a 1080p screen, and so like when I moved in on that cactus right there, I refocused to make sure I got a good focus on it. But I don't know if I needed to or not, but that's what I did. Anyway, so you're looking at a 1080p screen right in front of your eyes, and details are so clear. So when you get really down close to the ground, you can even see bugs crawling around. But anyway, I went out this morning and I had really good video results. I can't complain at all about that. But there were no critters. And what happens is, as we're driving up, we can see little rabbits running around. Well, not a lot of them, but you can see one once in a while. And birds are flying in and out of those holes in those cactuses, or cacti they say. And so I'm thinking this is going to be a fun video to shoot. But by the time I get the video, the drone set up and start flying, you can't find a single living critter out there because they just, I guess they go hide or something. So anyway, aside from that, looking down close at the ground, the goggles are very sharp. Just beautiful. And one of the things I'll do here is I will stop and wait to see if I'm missing anything that's moving, like a bug or just little things on the ground. And so I stopped several times, but I think it just wasn't anything to find out there this morning. And so we didn't see any little critters, and that's kind of sad. And then finally, as I get to the top, you'll see that it looks like there's several places up there for people to climb up there just for solitude, or even to camp. If I was young again, it'd be kind of fun to climb up there and camp out there overnight and watch the stars and everything down below. But I think probably what I'll do is I'll come back this fall and park further down the road so I don't scare everything away. And then I'll fly in with the drone and stay fairly high until I see something, and then come down, zoom down on it, and get some videos that way. So stay tuned. I'll be doing this. I like this mountain or this hill they call it, and I like filming the little critters and stuff. But anyway, so that's my plan, and so stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, I'll be quiet here and watch the video with the rest of you. And God bless. I thank you so much for looking at my channel. God bless.